everybody, remember me? I was here yesterday, but now I'm not here today, and I'm in the room and talking to you about what you need to do today, and it's this weird little existential crisis you might be going through, like, what? But I'm here to tell you this is what you need to get done today during your work day. There's a number of pieces that you could be working on and that you should be working on at the same time. So I'm going to walk you through each of those pieces. You're going to be using the computer, so you got to make sure you've got the computer in front of you logged in and ready to work with that once I'm done with this little video. So let's get started. So what I'm asking you to do are really two things. The first one is a continuation of what we talked about in class in terms of gross domestic product. And I want you to watch, search for and find this video that you see from Jason Welker on YouTube, and it talks about the circular flow of money. There's a little quiz that the sub's going to hand you once I'm done with this video. They'll have a link that you can type in to get to that video, and then you're going to take the quiz as a result of watching that video, and you're going to turn that back into the sub. Once you're done with that, then you've got the computers in front of you, and you have the opportunity to continue working on your annotated bibliography. Let's talk a little bit about that annotated bibliography. It needs to be done. You've already done a lot of this, most of you. It needs to be done in APA format. Remember, your summaries have to include the connection to the course content. The articles have to be recent. You can't take articles from 10 years ago or 5 years ago. I would suggest going to my Twitter account or search for the hashtag economics matters. And when you're done with that, of course, we need to turn it into turnitin.com. I'm reviewing some of this because some of you haven't turned in even the first set of articles that was due last month. As a reminder, this was what was given to you in terms of what I'm asking you to do. The annotation is on point number 3 here, and you got to make sure you have the summary connected to what we've studied. What have you learned, and then some discussion questions. You need a total of 15 articles, 6 of which were already due, but the final due date is December 1st. Those 6 were due October 23rd. Some of you haven't turned those in. You need to turn those in by the end of the hour because they're late. The rest of you that have done that, great. Now it's time to work ahead on the stuff that's due on December 1st. That's all I got. It's time for you to get to work. Have a great weekend, everybody.